This is how to compress video without losing quality and shrink the file size. Here's a quick example. The original file was 17 megabytes. After compression, it dropped to 2.5 megabytes. That's around 7 times smaller. To do this, open your browser and search for HandBrake tool. Make sure you go to the official site, handbrake.fr. Click download, then choose your platform. It's a small file, around 20 megabytes. Once it's done, open your downloads and run the installer. Follow the steps, and HandBrake will be ready to go. Launch the app. Now pick the video you want to compress. You can drag it in or use the file picker. Once selected, HandBrake will scan the video. At the top, choose a preset. I stick with the default one, 1080p30. The format stays as MP4. You can check web optimized if you want, but it's optional. Leave dimensions and filters alone. Under video settings, make sure the encoder is set. Set the frame rate to same as source, and switch it to constant frame rate for stability. Under Save As, click Browse. Pick where you want to save it. Desktop works. Give it a name like compressed video, then hit Start Encode. Wait for it to finish. You'll see Q finished when it's done. You can now close HandBrake. The original video was 1 minute 50 seconds and 17 megabytes big. After compression, it is still 1 minute 50 seconds, but only 3.5 megabytes. I use HandBrake all the time for this. It works perfectly and keeps the video sharp.